Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in here to this channel. If you are here for the first time or the second time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more videos and remember to hit the notification bell also. Yeah, I don't know whether you can hear or not, but the background music is quite good. The birds are chirping around. So today I'm gonna do unboxing video on this coins that I ordered. This is my second order, which I purchased from online. I got this from VII here. This boy, he sells old coins and raise money for his college. So if you ever come across him, you should at least get some coins from him, or if you really want to, then let me know. I'll give his link to you. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's open this up. I covered the address for several reasons. It's not necessary to show the address, so I'm sorry if you are looking for an address. I don't want to, there's nothing big deal about it, but the packing is quite good. I thought you can open up through the, man, this is quite hard working. I don't like hard working. Whoa, that's this here. First packet, second bar is there. I do a lot of hard work here while packing and while opening. It's more hard work. Let's see. Come on. Man. Oh. What is this? Oh. This is a sharpener box. Okay, anyway. Well, good packing. Lots of tabs. Secure. And this is the, okay, 2 more packet. Let's open this one first. What is in here? Oh my, come on. What to do? This is, I would say this is a quite wonderful packing. I mean, it's secure and safety for the coins. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, the real thing is there. Here. Okay. Oh, it's quite small. I thought it should be bigger than this. This is half rupee. Okay. Okay, well, this is half rupee silver coins. Well, I'm gonna make another video on this. Okay, I'll give a little explanation about it in the future. Future videos. There we go. Well, okay. Now again, let's open the bigger one. How to open this? Oh. Ooh, yeah, come on, come on, come on. Ah, that's a lot of coin there. Okay. Actually, I have to open this also. Let me open this first. I hope I don't get scratch on the coin while I'm cutting this. Oh my. Oh my. I'm losing all my strength opening this. Okay. What the heck? Okay. So here we go. Look at this. This one's I think this one he gave me for free. Okay, this coins, the one in my hand right now. Okay, these are 50 paise and this is 1 rupee. This is quite beat up. But it's okay. And this is also, this is quite good. This one's quite good. But this one is quite beat up. But that's okay. Anyway, he gave me for free for buying all this, I think. And these are the ones that I bought. Okay. And this one. Oh, I think these are the ones that I bought. This one and this one, and these are the ones I bought here. Okay. And this one he gave me for free. And these are the ones I bought from him. So anyway, that's all about it. These are the coins that I have. I'll make another video on all these coins, so stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel to see the videos of these coins that I make. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, I think you should just move on. Well, you can give a thumbs down also. But anyway, subscribe for this channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.